I already started it, but like go live, you know.
What?
What? We're live. Hello,
Hello.
Vian.
We talked about a couple
Yeah.
things before earlier. Let me look at the things that we
I made
mentioned.
this cool thing.
You mentioned variations.
Yeah.
We also mentioned status effects. Let me take a look at this old status effect, because I think I had like a fire effect thing. This says the effects, so I don't know if that's... Well, actually, this did use the old component stuff, so maybe this is fine.
Yeah, because we needed to figure out how we wanted to like handle like fire on the ground as well.
Yeah, well, fire on the
that
ground
was
worked,
like different.
I think. Like,
does it?
Plus or minus a bit. Like, I don't know, what do you mean by handle fire on the ground? Which part?
It just like the everything. I don't remember how far we got with it because we were trying to add it like to the slime, but then we didn't.
Yeah.
And we just want to figure out how you want to handle stuff like that. Like, do we want to have like Enter the Gungeon where it's like the different goops, or do you want to have like different things for each one, or do we want to have like just fire, or what?
What if we change Dante's 9 to be a top-down game instead?
No.
Okay. Yeah, because right now what we have is we have effect type, which just says fire. And then we have like effect sources that can be added and removed. And the effect handler does this thing where it accumulates an amount over time. And if you reach a threshold, it will do the effect thing.
So it's kind of like the Gungeon.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing I'm thinking is that makes sense for the player. I don't know if we want it to work exactly the same for enemies.
Yeah, I think there would be
like I don't think it works the same in Gungeon.
It does
for the enemies.
So, I think.
Well, I was looking at the wiki earlier, and
Okay,
I'll have you know that actually I don't remember if it was the same, but...
Okay, well, let's pull up the Gungeon wiki and we'll find out, I guess.
Status effects. Enter the gungeon.wiki.gg/wiki/status effects.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Anyways.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, there's both player status effects and enemy status effects.
Yeah.
Which are separate.
Mm-hmm. Which I guess actually wouldn't matter that much because these things, like the components, can just be generic and then have a player effect handler and an enemy effect handler, and then for the players it would only take damage every X amount of time, but for the enemies it would just like tick down and then they take damage every X whatever.
Yeah.
Does
it work that, like, I'm thinking, because if I'm looking in here at the enemy status effects for Gungeon, they also have like buffed and charmed and things like that, which are not like do a thing periodically. It's like it changes how, or like freeze, because I do want to have some kind of like stun where you can like stop enemies from attacking.
Yeah.
There's also Encheesed, my favorite.
Yeah, Noodle Floor and Blight Croissant? What the hell did you just call us? Also, I forgot to turn on shared chat, but it's on now. Liberty just told us
turn on shared chat.
Noodle Floor and Blight Croissant.
Master Liberty. Oh, I was also just bored, so I was looking at the wiki, and I wanted to finally figure out how to get to some of the other floors, and let's just say I would not have figured it out on my own, so I'm glad.
Like the RNG department?
Yeah.
The RNG department is fucking insane.
I've never been there, and I had the chance to go there, I just didn't know that I could do it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very... If you give him 2 items or guns, and in the master round, he will retreat into the darkness, and the gate will open, and he will go to the RNG department. Like, that's insane. Yeah, it's wild.
Yeah.
So yeah, effects.
And then,
I don't know. I had something that was doing, I thought I had something that was doing damage to the player whenever they had, like, fire on them enough amount of time. Maybe not. I thought I had that. Fire.
Also, I didn't realize that curse was a status effect, and that's what the curse pots do. I don't know why I assumed that they would just instantly kill you if the bar filled up, because it looked like a skull. Because I was thinking it was like whatever the status effect is in the Elden Ring or Dark Souls, where you just instantly die if the bar fills up. That one doesn't instantly kill you; it just kills you really fast.
Sorry.
What?
Where the fuck is this? I really thought this was in here, but I guess it's not. Whatever, I guess. Let me actually add this to...
Imagine if we had like normal chatters who like posted normal things in our chat.
What do you mean? What happened in chat?
I'm just saying, I'm not complaining, I'm just imagining it.
Normal chatters. What a fucking crazy thing to say. We are on Twitch, brother. That's not a thing.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Do you think Master Liberty watches Northern Lion?
Master Liberty, do you watch Northern Lion? So what do you want to do today, actually?
What do I want to do today? That's what I wasn't sure, because I was messing around with like multiple things. Maybe status.
You were doing some
cool
look at my UI stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just kind of like mocking up stuff because I had actually seen like somebody made like some guys, you know, those like quick tutorial things. I don't know what I'm trying to describe. Never mind. Somebody made like a art demonstration of how they made like a.
Oh, was it the flipping book thing, the 3D looking book?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like
a showcase. It's like here's the step-by-step on what I did.
Like a showcase.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was like, that's kind of cool. So I was like, I want to redesign our thing. And I took some ideas from that, because the main thing why I didn't want to touch this is because of the stupid edges of this. I didn't know how to make these look nice, and I think I finally got it. There's still some parts that maybe could use some work, but yeah, then I was like, sure, I just want to keep working on this, so I made this. So, I mean, I could just go over my thoughts of like how this is arranged. So obviously there's a deck. Well, we'd have the tabs like Gungeon has on the side. I guess maybe we could have them on the top, but probably the side. And then this is the deck. I added this little thing which would be like a button to change like how they're sorted. So you could sort them by like newest or alphabetical or like by type. So that way, like, if you have a lot of cards, it's easy to tell, or like you'd sort by how many stickers there are. I don't know, something like that. And then over here, if you click on a card, because originally before we had like the big thing of cards, and I think with how complicated some of the cards might be, especially with stickers, I don't want it to all be like tooltips. Like, I think you should be able to see things with the tooltips, like in maybe some other menus like the Forge. But if you want like a lot of detail, I think that's what the deck menu should be for.
I agree.
So there'll be like all the stats, like charges, damage. I didn't feel like writing them all out because I was literally hand pixeling all the letters and stuff. But charges, mana costs, damage, whatever stuff we want in there, and then some kind of description. And then, as I said before, with the stickers, I think maybe the stickers would go down here, and then the description would be here.
Description would be there. Sorry, what?
Yeah, so description would be here, and then down here would be for all the stickers that are applied to it.
Would the card, so the card wouldn't be where it is right now anymore?
Yeah. Because, I mean, there's the card literally right over here, so
yeah, like... but it does, like, add a little bit of a, like, a little fun thing.
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay, yes.
Or we could do something different, yeah. Who's inviting me to play Deadlock?
Why are you up on Deadlock?
No.
Okay, so...
I'm not hopping on Deadlock. Actually, you want to play Deadlock?
No. Not really. Okay, so the effects do work, kind of.
Okay.
I need to think. I'm gonna look at some list things. I asked you for fun things to work on stream, and what did you tell me? You said UFO or status effects or enemy variations. Oh yeah, okay. So this was something that I was thinking about a lot since the last stream, which is enemies. are not particularly as reusable as I would like them to be.
Yeah,
Like there are certain
I
things.
still don't know what to do about the enemies.
Yeah, there are certain things on this guy that I'm really not happy with. Like
Mhm.
to make him do something else. Like he. Let me think about how to say this. His decision making is made entirely within the state machine, which means that it would likely be only state-based decisions, which is fine, except for like, let's say I wanted to reuse some of the code that was on this guy to make an enemy that runs to like a specific position rather than following the player. It would be a little hard to do that. I would have to write a new state and have it do certain things, which is not great. So I was thinking about making some sort of like brain controller thing where it's like, here's this enemy's current target, here's this enemy's current, like, not state per se, but like this enemy's fighting the player, so it's whenever it calls like get target, it's gonna return the player's position. Or, you know, maybe this enemy, whenever it takes damage, it picks a new target or something like that. And I don't know how I feel about it, but I think I like that idea. I really don't know what I want to do with it. Why does this guy have an event router? Why do you have I don't know why you have an event router. I'm sure it's something important somewhere though.
Also, now that I'm thinking about it, I think I like how Gungeon does it, where for their the book thing, I think when it opens up, the background's just like black, like it doesn't like blur the background. I think that makes it a little easier, because just looking at this compared to like this, it's kind of messy. But if I had like just a black background, this looks a lot cleaner.
Yeah, I agree. I think that works fine.
And then that also allow us to use like a lighter color on the book if we wanted to.
Definitely not that one. Still not that one.
Not that one.
Bit of blue.
Purple. Blue. What is wrong with you?
Definitely not blue. That's not terrible, but I'm not a fan. I don't think.
I mean, we could also try Nope, that's not right.
He's got this. So.
Nope. There we go.
What is this guy? So
better.
You've got your position. You change. So I'm mainly keeping this in mind for the fire wizard guy that I was working on before. Actually, I deleted all the files for it because I was fixing the issue, which is fine. Because the idea for him was, let me go into a level and just talk through my thoughts.
It's usually a good way to do things.
So let's say, let me put a dummy down really quickly.
Wait, what do you mean? Is this the same color? Am I going insane?
What color? What are you talking about?
Those aren't the same color. Don't worry about it, twin.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Those aren't the same color.
So let's say that we had this dummy enemy here. The wizard would try to get to a spot. Let's say he just chooses this spot right here. He would stand there, and then he would kind of like chant some sort of spell that like raises this guy's stats. And then whenever the player goes up to attack him, so he like hits him, and he would start to run away to a different spot. And I don't know. I'm trying to think of how to link all the components and everything together in a way that isn't shit-ass terrible.
Yeah.
I mean, it wouldn't be terrible to do like a... Oh, wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Who are you? I don't even know that one. It's fine. It's Kazoo Kid. It's a old internet meme.
Oh.
I'm sure you don't know.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that one. Yeah.
Oh, let me hold on.
I'm like really old.
I'm folding shit over and over right now. I'm making origami out of this fucking code in my brain right now. The one issue with our state machine design, not an issue. This is like an intentional design, but it may be something that I think would be worth stepping over, is to swap between states. We have this on-child transition function, which returns if the state calling it is not the current state. However, that does mean that external things can't control state changes, which is maybe a little wrong. Although I don't, because like the wizard would probably have something like a move state, maybe an aim state or something, and then like an attack state. But the attack state wouldn't actually be attacking; it'd be like sitting there channeling or whatever. And if he was in the aim state and got attacked, he would go back to move. If he was in the attack state and got attacked, he would go back to move. So having some way to trigger this without having just like functions inside of both of these would be nice. Which it would be quite nice to have some sort of something out here that just says like, yo dog, go to move now. And then it does that. Which I think wouldn't be terrible. I could do... something like this. Register myself to the top level node and then have a function in here, which is a deadlock reference called transition. And then use this.
Wait, deadlock?
Yep,
Up on
that's the one.
deadlock?
Yep, that's the one.
I'll play deadlock.
And then I could probably do something like this. And just call transition inside of here. Like so. Which doesn't change a whole lot, but that allows the current state to exit, enter into the new state, and then we do all the other shit.
I want to see how this looks in Godot with the glow.
This also means that we could have a generic stun state that the enemy just like sits in for an amount of time, and then
Yeah.
we can...
Yeah, one of the other things I was thinking of, that could be weird is, this is very specific, but it's the worms for handling things like stun and like, they got like, or like things that move them around, like say the UFO like picks up an enemy, like what do you do about the worm?
You just like drag the head along and then the worm stuff.
Yeah, I guess that would work.
Or maybe we could have the worm like, it could be like specific things for certain enemies, like the worm just like does like a wiggle, or he's like, put me down, you know, like a fucking like a rain world worm or some shit type of movement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rain world worm? What are being worms? Worms in Rain World?
Worm Armageddon?
Am I going insane?
So let's say, for example, so this is going to be enemy brain just for now. I don't know how much of this is going to be permanent, but I want this, if not under, well, our enemy is enemy base, enemy is equal to util.get target self as enemy base. Yeah. If enemy dot is not ready, we can await enemy dot ready, because I need you to do this after you're done. But before that, I do want you to register yourself.
But yeah, this is what the old binder looked like. It looked so bad.
Holy shit.
Comparatively.
Fire. It doesn't look bad, to be honest.
Yeah, it just looks worse.
Yeah. crazy what improvement does to a motherfucker. So let's say
Actually, it's more crazy what like seeing someone else do something similar and being like, oh, I see what I'm doing wrong.
yeah, fair enough. Who have you? Is it mainly Gungeon or like are there other?
Gungeon and yeah, that one like little tutorial thing that I saw.
The book.
Yeah, the book. Okay, so the white is very bright, as you can see.
State machine. Let's say
It looks kind of nice, actually, though. Biddy, what do you think of this with the engine glow? Looks nice.
Yeah, looks good. The stats are. I can't tell if it's your stream, but the stats are a little bit hard to read. It may be your stream issue because we're in 720.
Yeah, these could probably be a little darker.
Yeah, they could also maybe have like an outline or something, but who knows? I don't know.
Maybe.
Put them in papyrus font.
What?
Papyrus font.
Speaking of fonts, we do need to find some. I mean, I get you found some font, right?
Yeah, I found some fonts.
Okay.
I don't think I committed them up.
Okay.
No, I didn't. Or was it called Gopher or was it called Groundhog? It was called Groundhog. One of the two. Neither of them are there, so. Happens.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's actually crazy. For anyone who doesn't know.
We're just looking at this like just different sizes of things here that like I would be like.
Yeah. JW sent me like a font pack one day and he was like, dude, these Pixlr fonts actually look so good. I might like cop this when I get off work. And I opened up the page. I was like, oh, those did look really good. And then I found out it's just not for sale anymore. Just for no reason.
Yeah, they literally took it off of sale like the second Biddy opened it. Like it was there for me, and then I was just like, nope,
It wasn't. You're
it
a liar.
wasn't, but yeah, I just don't want to make people think that like I don't know how to read, you know?
Oh yeah, no, they definitely.
Yeah,
they definitely don't think that at all. Yep.
Yeah, not at all.
Does this just pass in an attack? It does. Nice. Beautiful.
The other thing I'm thinking with this is, do I want to make a page and turning animation? I don't want to deal with that. I don't know how Gungeon does it. I'm curious because like it keeps the content that's on the page.
Does it?
So it's like, how do you do that? Yeah, it does.
Does it do? Let me fucking like. I'm sure the first Northern Lion video of Gungeon, he paused the game.
You know, it would be a lot faster just to open Gungeon.
It wouldn't be.
It would be.
Do not dare talk to me. Don't talk to me right now. Northern Lion, Mr. Lion.
Mr. Lion.
Oh, he doesn't open the option, or he doesn't open the Ammonomicon. He just fucking pauses the game. Duh.
That's crazy to him.
Specifically, whenever. Oh, here we go.
It's my favorite bald
I hate
guy.
that fucking room. Hi, Callie.
Wait, which one?
What's up? What's up, sweet girl?
Oh.
Okay, goodbye. Very cool.
Why does he look like that?
He opens it up. Oh, here we go.
I have not seen that one before.
It's actually so funny. I don't know if you saw that. The fucking head, whenever he rolls, it does like the animation at the bottom.
Oh, that's kind of fun.
Yeah. Hi, Callie. Come on. Come on.
Oh, I forgot. It has a fancy animation the first time you...
Sorry. There's a cat up here now.
Hi. Hi, cat.
It doesn't. Oh, it does. I see. Oh, you know what they probably do, actually?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're not showing it. It doesn't like follow the contour of the page. You can see that they just took the texture and they
just,
squished
like,
it horizontally.
It.
Yeah.
That works so well.
Yeah,
though,
but because it goes so quickly.
I was like, how the heck do you do that?
Yeah, because it goes so quickly, you just don't see it. You're like, oh, dude, that's sick.
Yeah.
Nope. It is squished for a frame.
Does he turn
frame
pages at all?
Huh?
Does he turn to any other pages? Does he click on any of the other pages or
I
no?
don't fucking know. Maybe, yeah.
Probably no. No, maybe.
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at that. Well,
Yeah, it does stretch it. Yeah.
they probably do some like pop-up warping shit or something, but that's not like out of the question. Of
Yeah, I
something
guess
that
it
we
is
can do.
in Unity. So Unity probably has something for that.
Well, I'm fairly certain we could do some. But no, Godot 100% has shit for that too. Like,
I mean, you can try. I had tried to do something like that because I want to do something like that for the pack opening, but I could not figure out how to do it.
why are you so smug and why are you not moving?
I just got back. Why is there Northern Lion on the screen? We're doing research actually.
This is true, yeah. There we go. So we can do stuff like this. Or we can like warp shit around. Or like a frame.
Yeah, okay.
We can also add like
pretty
extra
cool.
points, and then I believe once it's happy with that being a thing, maybe not. Come on,
Nope.
dude. Oh shit, he's long. What the fuck? Yeah, it does some weird shit if you have like a bunch of them, but like for like a quick animation, like just a fucking quad of these would be not out of the.
But that means I have to animate the actual page turning too.
Yeah, that's not. I mean, okay, dude. Sorry, you're right. That is asking a lot of an artist.
Yeah, I don't know how to animate.
Evil creature. Let me drink some of my tea. I have tea.
Well, that's more of a later problem, I think.
Mm-hmm. So let's say that whenever they get attacked, no matter what they're doing, it's just. Oh, sorry. There was a plane outside, and it sounded like my phone vibrated. Mm-hmm. Let's just say no matter what, this motherfucker goes to the attack state whenever he gets hit. So we're just gonna do that, and we're gonna see what happens.
Yeah. But anyways, I'll leave this in the project if you need a reference for like when we want to add this, because I think this helps a lot with at least getting started. It's
Yeah.
Like,
oh,
you want to have.
Yeah. Do you want to do me a
this,
favor,
which you
actually?
can scroll and like yeah.
So we want that to probably be broken up by layers, right?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna ask you to export everything. Can you just can you put the sprite file in the project, please?
Okay. It's like mostly split up. Like
Yeah, I can manage. I can't manage it from a flat PNG. Dude, all I'm asking you is to put the sprite file in the fucking repo. It's not like I'm asking you to put it out there open source for people to use. All you gotta do is put that shit in the project, and I can just export specifically the parts I care about.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. I mean,
Where do I even put it?
I don't
In
you could put it under like a subfolder in assets.
UI.
Actually, yeah, I was gonna say you could put it in a subfolder in assets, and then we could like exclude those from exporting, so people don't get the sprite files. But I don't know how much you care about that.
Yeah, probably do that.
What am I doing? Spawn enemy ES, and then ground enemy fire. So
That way I can only let them get the sprite files if they donate to my Patreon.
yeah, that one. That's the one.
Yeah.
You didn't set up a Patreon. I thought you just set up a Ko-fi. Oh yeah, dude.
It's the same thing.
Oh, look at that. So whenever he gets hit, he swaps to the attack state, or he can just do it normally.
Oh, that's very cool.
Okay, so I can do that then. So like, probably are also going to have.
Wait, is it here?
Things.
How do I know if it's here or not?
But you won't be able to see it there, but you could open it in Windows. Because it's
I'm opening it in File Manager.
yeah, because like that's not a recognized file type for Godot, so they don't show it.
What do you mean?
If we had a sprite wizard installed, we would, but I don't want to do that.
Yeah, let's not do that, Twin.
Yeah, because I really don't like having assets like or plugins like that.
Yeah.
A sprite wizard is really good for like prototyping, but having to have it like bake them or something on export is like not. I don't like it.
I'm baking it.
I'm baking it.
Okay. I thought I wrote down some ideas. I was gonna write down some sticker ideas. One that I had was what is it? What is it called?
You got this.
Uh,
Yep. You got this, man. I believe in you.
I'm thinking. I'm thinking.
I
I'm thinking so hard right now.
I don't know if I believe in you anymore.
I'm thinking. Tesla bullets. That's what it's called.
Dog, that's crazy. Man, I don't want to play Deadlock.
I was like, no, it's not lightning. It's not like shock.
Hmm.
It's like the car, you know?
The car.
Tesla bullets, but instead of shocking enemies, it just drives cars at them.
Maybe we should have like some more absurd cards like that at some point.
Yes,
like,
we definitely do.
like dropping a
we need a
piano on the
lot of
entire
absurd
team.
cards. That's also a good idea. Yeah, dropping a piano. Another thing. Oh yes. Another thing that I wanted to mention to you that I want to have that is easy to do is a way for stickers to have like on hit effects or like on miss effects or like
What?
different things like that. Like if there's a sticker that's like if you hit an enemy with this card, it does something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like one that I was thinking was like if you hit an enemy, it spawns bees, or like if you miss an enemy with this card, it spawns something.
Ah, I see. Yeah.
Or like on hit, it applies like a random status effect to the enemy.
I believe we have stickers that can do that. Let me actually look at my the list of stickers that we have. Oh shit, Nacho's gone.
Killed.
Like, I'm fairly certain we have stickers that can do things on. I have debug turned off.
Can you please add like a toggle for that on the debug menu? Because I had to figure out where it was in the files this morning to like turn it on. I was like,
Okay, dude.
what am I doing?
Wait, do I not have
I mean, I guess I could also do that because I know how to add debug buttons now.
Yeah.
Oh, also there's an issue where this is like the most non-issue
Is it
ever.
in the debug menu?
Yes.
I asked him to do one thing in the debug menu and he fucked things up. All right, what is it, buddy?
No, it's not. It's actually all your fault.
Oh, it's all my fault?
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's not a big deal.
It's a big deal. This is what he's saying.
It's a
I can
really big
translate
deal,
for you. It's a
actually.
really big deal. He cares so much.
I actually do not care in the slightest about it, and
He
you'll see
cares
why shortly.
So much.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So,
in the debug menu,
sure.
cards,
Is it because
add
the
random card.
Okay, sure.
All three of these letters are already taken.
Okay.
I guess I could use a letter like in here as well.
Yeah.
I don't like that though. That's gonna bother me.
You could well actually what we could do, go back to cards. I was gonna say D could be for clear deck. And then you could
Yeah.
make
But then
C,
S.
but yeah.
There's no S.
Mhm.
There's no S in add random card.
D could be for clear deck. Tell me why S comes into the thing.
Wait.
Clear deck.
Oh wait.
Its current hotkey is C.
Oh wait. Oh, I was looking at starting
Yeah,
deck.
it's fine.
Oh yeah.
Honestly,
okay.
what we could also do is make D redeal, and then you get R is for random, which is not the most terrible thing, because like D for
Yeah,
dealing
like that.
cards. All right, there you go. You can now toggle debug on and off in the middle of game. I think, probably. It's under HUD debug draw, but whatever. Yeah, so I can teleport with Z, and then if I go here, I can no longer teleport with Z. Hooray.
As I said, I do not care about this at all because I don't use the hotkeys. But it bothered me when I added it that I couldn't use any of the blurs.
Oh shit! Never mind, my fault. Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, another thing I wanted to think of is ideas for the hub area. I don't know what I want it to look like or like be like, but I restarted the game because I held down our
Dante.
Big Dante.
What am I doing here? Oh yeah, I wanted to take a look at the stickers that we have. I'm fairly certain of like yeah, like shield has the ability to do things whenever you equip a weapon. So I think being able to do things whenever you hit or miss, although let me think about that. How is shield working actually? Shield. It's been a minute since I even like it has not been that long since I've added this. Oh, okay. Apply upgrade to card that equipped. I see. That's a little annoying actually. Little guy keeps losing his sanity every day. Which one? Or all of the above?
Are you ever planning to make a game similar to Dota 2? Maybe at some point.
Is this someone we know that asked the question?
I don't know.
You don't
That's
know?
a good question.
Okay, that's fucking hilarious if that's just a completely random question.
Maybe it is.
I would not doubt that it's someone from like the server like community because of like the deadlock craze.
Why are the temporary cards so like rainbow all of a sudden? Like it looked sick, but like it wasn't like this before.
I don't know. It may have been just like something got like squashed in a commit. Then
oh, it might have been the new update, the new Godot update. Because it did change some of like the post processing a little bit, I think.
Maybe.
So maybe that just makes it more obvious. I don't know.
Could be a tone mapping thing. Yeah, I could see that.
Perchance.
Yeah, I mean, it can always be turned down though if desired, I guess. Hi, Callie, the feature. She's so pissed. She's like, I just want to lie on your lap, and you're speaking right now. The evil creature that hates me. So yeah, anyways.
I'm Reese back. Ask Biddy, he probably remembers me.
What? Huh? What was said?
I'm the person who asked about Dota 2. They said they're...
What was their name?
Reese back? Or R3SE back.
R3SE back.
I assume it's Reese? Rez? I don't know.
Right, I'm opening up my Discord server and I'm searching for this name. Beg for your life in chat or something.
Bro, think you like Northern Lion. Oh, this has also been bothering me forever. The shells from the guns show up behind the chests. Now, do I make the shells a layer up? I think I make the chests a layer back.
Yeah, you make the shells.
Yes.
Oh,
the
hello.
Shells. Oh, hello. Visibility ordering.
See, over in my chat. I'm assuming I'm very, very bad with names, to be honest with you. Like, I'm very terrible with names. Ask anybody that I've played Deadlock with. Those motherfuckers will be like, there's no way you're still calling
anybody want
Drifter
to play
Lash.
oh, Rise back. Okay.
Rise back, I see.
But that's a 3. So it's like an E. So it'd be like Reds.
Reds back.
Or Reese. Or I don't know. The 3 is I. In what world is a 3 an I? Anyways.
All this basic enemy brain.
Do I make this I guess I make this -1 and hope it doesn't break anything.
I'm so proud of myself that I've started to say Drifter instead of Lash, by the way. It's finally getting there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's...
I feel like Drifter and Lash are probably like my two least favorite characters.
Really, Drifter? Is really in your
I
least
don't.
favorite?
It's not that I don't like him. It's just he's just bland and boring. Like I don't.
Hmm.
He doesn't have any sauce. Like I don't know what
You
any
play
of his abilities do,
Graves.
but
Graves doesn't have sauce either. She just puts shit
Graves
down
has
and
so
the game
much
plays for
sauce.
you.
Graves has so much sauce.
No, she doesn't. You motherfucker,
literally
she doesn't
does,
have
twin.
sauce. No, it's under the sauce.
Hello, Average Ghetto Enjoyer. Happy Monday. Wait a second. Hold up.
Wait, that's the wrong day. What the hell?
Where's my Uni calendar?
It's Tuesday. We don't stream on Monday.
It's Tuesday.
Oh, thank you, Callie. No, that was so sweet of
I need to
you.
put my calendar on the wall. I have a beautiful cat calendar, and it's not on my wall.
Thank you, Callie. Thank you for looking directly at me before you just let out the biggest, most fish-smelling yawn of all time. I'm so happy you did that. That was so cool of you. I love cats sometimes. That's not true. I love cats all the time, but sometimes.
Should I update to 4.6? Yes.
Yeah. Why not? There's no reason not to, I think.
Let me turn this down, it's a little loud.
I would say back up your
There's
project.
any
but-
reason not to.
Yeah, back up your project, but then do it. What we have is the only issue we've had so far is the new UID system is a little annoying because every time you open a file, it will make a new like UID change. And if I happen to open a file and JW happens to open the same file, and then we both commit our files, there'll be a merge conflict. But that's like literally the only issue.
What's 20 feet doing up there? Bro think that he can't drop through a platform. Oh right, he can't do that. Weird that the ground enemy can't drop through platforms.
Yeah, that is weird. What the fuck?
A little strange.
What did you break?
Oh, I see. With that change, the chest will now show up behind the walls. I don't know. Probably want them in front. I hate layering. We'll chest. We'll make you this. So be
Five tests this
Gib.
week.
Then Gib object. What layer are you? You're 0 as well. Nice. So that just means that the ordering is. I hate this.
What kind of tests do you have this week? Are they like big tests, annoying tests, or are we talking about like spelling tests? Like you've got like a list of words to memorize.
Oh, hey, spelling tests are hard. Okay.
Yeah, that's true. If sometimes.
They're quite difficult to win. Anyways, why? Oh, there we go. Z index -1. Let's try this. I love when I set the Z index on the sprite instead of the base object, so I can't immediately see it. I should blame Bitlytic.
This is true, I guess.
Yeah.
Could not resolve superclass enemy brain. Are you fucking stupid or dumb? Which one is it? That's definitely a
I'm
thing.
pretty stupid, yeah.
I'm curious actually about how Godot does things.
There we go. Now that layering's a bit better, I think.
I'm gonna do something fun. Console numbers.
See if we kill an enemy.
Or wait. I want to make sure that the actual thing fires off. The ready function actually does wait. So like if I were to change this to fleeing enemy brain, I think this would do some cool things. Hi, Callie. What's up? Hi.
This will show up behind.
Spawn around enemy fire. Okay. Yeah. Oh well. Hold on. Print yet?
Wait, I just thought I have a genius idea. We make a sticker that spawns salmon on hit, and you can put it on the salmon storm. So that way you
Ew.
could have a salmon storm that spawns more salmon.
Ew.
It'd be beautiful. And then we add a recursive sticker, which makes it that any all effects spawn from stickers apply all the other stickers from the thing that it's spawned by. So that way the salmon that gets spawned from the salmon storm also spawn more salmon storms. So that way it crashes the game.
Oh, this is gross, actually. Yeah, but take a look at this line. This line is sick, isn't it?
Oh wait, super. Very nice.
I actually kind of hate that I have to do that. I'm thinking about...
Already min-maxing. I would call that more crashing the game than min-maxing, but yeah. Also, hello Brain Zap. How are you doing?
I think I'll probably just do this. Oh my god, Brain Zap? Holy shit, is that a me reference? I love antidepressants.
Me too, twin.
No, you don't. You've never tried antidepressants.
Yeah, that doesn't mean I don't like them.
Okay, so that does have an attack. So let's say for Fleeing Brain, I would like... I'd like you to grab the state machine and do a dot transition.
Okay. I am going to stop playing the game and work, because I like playing the game too much.
Flee, and I don't think this needs anything else, but now inside of enemy state, instead of all of this shit, which I guess do need a similar function, which is it's enemy brain.
Oh, and I had started a list of the status effects that I might want.
You started a list. Better check that shit twice, dude.
Yeah, so fire, poison, ice, some kind of stun, immobilize thing. And then the mark, which I currently have, or some kind of debuff that makes them have less health. And then like the buff, like the wizard guy.
Okay, yeah.
So, not
But yeah,
a
I think
lot.
I'll
I
make-
mean, I can't
it'll
really
maybe be a
think of
little
any
bit.
other ones
Yeah.
specifically right now.
I'll probably need to do something a little
There's
bit more
niche
complicated
ones.
with these, because before it's just an enum, but it sounds like we want a little bit more out of it, which is fine.
I mean, it could be an enum.
No, it
And then
couldn't
the
be.
I'm confused.
So you want to put like ice. What does ice do?
It would like freeze them.
Okay,
Or
and how would you do that?
Slow,
with an
slow them
enum?
down and then freeze them.
Go ahead and just do it.
I mean, the enum just says like what effect they have,
Mhm.
and then the effect handler would handle what happens when they have the effect.
Yeah. I mean, we could do it in a way where like inside of here, you know, if an effect like triggers, we can do like trigger effects, and then like the type, and then down here we would have a function called like trigger effects, type,
Mm-hmm.
effect type, and then the problem here is that now we would end up doing something like, which this isn't inherently a bad thing, but we would just do like a match type. You know, if it's effect type dot fire, you know,
Yeah, that's fair.
damage, or if it's, you know, effect type dot ice, you know, slow, which is
Mhm.
like fine enough, but
Yeah.
I feel like if it gets like very complicated, it would be kind of annoying to put those inside of like match statements or specific functions when we could
Mm-hmm.
copy some of the things we're doing with the stickers, like for the shield sticker, how this has kind of like its own independent implementation of certain things.
Yeah.
We could have like an
And I'm
effect.
already overthinking things, but it's probably helpful to think of is we could also have events for when like enemies die under a certain effect or like take damage under a certain effect.
Mhm.
Like we could have an item that like if you kill enemies while they're frozen, they like explode into ice shards or something.
Yeah.
That like shoot out.
Mhm.
So
That wouldn't be
keeping that in mind,
particularly difficult to. I mean, I don't
Yeah.
have to keep that in mind because if we have a relic that does that, all it has to do is listen for the target killed, and then it would just check to see if that
Yeah.
target has the effect like frozen on it, and if it does,
Oh, yeah. See, everything's just so well designed
I
here
know.
that like I probably would have done something so stupid that's like there's a specific event on the effect handler that's like died from ice.
Yeah. Yeah, like stuff like that. Stuff like that is really. I'm actually the event router stuff and everything around events for
Yeah,
that are
that's
actually
very
really,
cool.
really well made. It's kind of the everything else that's a little bit
Mhm.
rocky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because like that would be really cool. Because like say you have an item that like hits all enemies and it has like a sticker that makes it deal ice damage, and then it freezes everything, and then you have another card that when you kill an enemy that's frozen, it like explodes, and then that would trigger all the other enemies to die and explode and just kill everything in the room at once,
Yeah.
which would be very cool.
That's so funny. This is doing if player, and then it doesn't even care about this player variable because it does player.player down here.
That's just so that way. I think it was crashing. A lot of
Yeah.
places where there's just if player, it's because it would crash sometimes.
Yeah, makes sense.
And I just added that to make sure that it didn't crash. Cause yeah, there's a lot of places where I just randomly get crashes and I just be like, okay, I put a null check in there. Because that happened a lot. Anyways,
Hi, Cat.
what is Arrival?
What is Arrival? That's a good question.
Quick notes. I'm looking at quick notes. I haven't looked at this in a minute. I love how in the quick notes, one of the things is just weapon cards that equip an item that overrides the default attack. Like, imagine if we didn't have that.
Imagine that, dude. Holy.
Imagine.
There's no way this is still comfortable for you. You're allowed to leave. You're allowed to go elsewhere. You don't have to stay here. I don't mind.
Oh, we forgot about giant magma turtle. We need to put him
We
somewhere.
didn't like forget about him. It's just
Yeah, we did. We forgot. We forgot him.
we forgot about him.
It's
yeah.
over. Okay. Sticker or cards. What cards do we got going on?
Oh, okay. She has decided she's staying in my lap. Cool. I wonder how much of this still needs the player. Like, if I were to kill this, how much of the code stops working? Oh my god, only one of them? There's no way. If I run the game... Really? Wait, that's
I know
actually
what I want to
fucking
add.
sick.
I want to add the soul crystal drop things. I
The
think
what?
what we should do, I think we should decrease the base recharge rate. And add more ways to get it outside of it recharging over time, though. Like maybe make enemies drop a little bit more, and then I also want to add crystals that like will be around levels that you can break.
Oh, like little
Yes,
things
okay.
that you smack
Maybe
that
it's
give
not
you
a good
the
idea.
charge back.
Yeah.
I see. I kind of like that.
Yeah, because right now it's very Right now it's very much just like run and hide in a corner, but with that it at least gives you something to do. So it doesn't feel like you're running and hiding, it feels like you're running and gathering something. Like you're actively doing something to help, rather than just kind of like passively sitting there.
Yeah.
Which I think will help with the issue, which is
I agree.
running and hiding in a corner.
I do like that idea a lot, yeah. Could also maybe make them like throw back a little bit over time, like very slowly.
Maybe.
That way, if you're in like the middle of a boss fight, like if you're in a boss fight, it's not like you spin through all of them and then now you are just like, you're like, oh well, fuck, I guess that's that.
Maybe what it could do is like it doesn't just break instantly and drop some. It like kind of breaks over time and drops over time. So like if you hit it a couple times, it drops a few.
Yeah. Like as you smack it, it'll like drop a bit. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. So like eventually it would break, but it would take a little bit. I'm trying to think what it should look like. Should it just be like a floating crystal? I mean, that was my first thought. Was just like a floating crystal thing that just kind of sits there. Because it would kind of have to fit in all the different level themes, so maybe just like a floating crystal thing would work. We can always change how it looks later. I'll just make some quick. And it shouldn't be that hard to make out.
Wait, the game runs out. What the fuck? Wait, I thought the game would still crash. That's like hella surprising.
What
is Arrival?
Runs. What is Arrival?
Oh shit, dude, he's attacking because he can't get up to the player. He's so pissed. Oh my god, it's so funny watching them fucking fly into the wall and just die.
I know, it's really fun.
It's really good. I need to kill
it. Was so easy to add too. I love it.
Yeah. Are they taking damage from anything, or is it like they deal damage to themselves?
Yeah, they just deal damage to themselves. Like wherever it like plays the sound and stuff, it just deals damage to themselves.
Okay, I fucked something up with him. I'm not entirely sure what. Oh wait, he might actually. I don't know, dude. I'm so stupid. I'm literally sitting here, killing the spawn guys, just like on repeat, as if there isn't a hive that's spawning them.
I do that too. I like be hitting them. I'm like, wait, what am I doing?
Because like I'm thinking about other things. I'm thinking about why the code's going wrong.
Yeah.
And then it's like, oh yeah, shit, I can't just like autopilot kill them. Why are you standing there, buddy? Why are you just smacking? Do you have the wrong brain on? You have the wrong brain on.
Bro got the wrong brain.
Wait, no.
How do I draw crystals?
Holy shit, I'm about to write some of the worst code imaginable. Not even the worst code, it's just this is... Look at this line, dude. What a beautiful line of code.
What is that? What do you mean you can put on a weight in like a what?
So because this
I mean, I
function,
guess that makes sense
yeah,
actually.
because this function of weights, this means that it's technically what's called a coroutine at this point, which means that it can return at some point, and so this isn't guaranteed to return without waiting. And so if you put a weight here, that means that
That's
this
so
won't actually do it
weird.
until it's like good to
That's
go.
kind of sick though.
It's a little sick, yeah. Which is why await super was also a thing, because you're effectively just calling the super version of the ready function. It just looks a little weird because they're both red words.
Yeah.
I'm trying not to overuse await, but I think in this case it like hella makes sense to use await.
Yeah. Twin.
Okay, yeah, so there we go. He still works, which is terrific. Absolutely terrific. So let's say, for example, you're... Oh shit, dude. Nice.
Hmm?
I don't know. Something got hit. It sounded like.
Oh, I think I hit my water bottle and it made a noise. I didn't realize it picked up.
I see.
My bad, gang.
Yeah, it's fine, I guess.
It's not okay, actually.
Yeah, it's not.
Wait, I can do interior outlines, right? It can be like you are inside. Yes, I can. Look at that. Very cool.
Okay, so this guy...
Chewy wants outline.
Oh, and I need
Inside.
Okay.
You, there we go. I love just saying words, you know?
Uh-huh.
I be speaking and stuff.
Sorry, Professor. I seem to have the wrong brain. Could I retake the exam? Fucking beast. Where's this guy going now? Oh, dude, look at him. So every time I hit him, he gets
Where
a
is
new...
Quinn going?
He gets a new target position. Okay. I like that. I don't know why he's not attacking the player, though. Well, I do, actually.
Bro just doesn't
Kinda.
want to fight, you know?
Yeah, I do, I guess. Kinda. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need... Now I get to go back to this thing, which is gonna be maybe a bitch, but I get to... Oh, Lord.
Oh, I'm on Bitlytic Vision. Oh no. I'm
Let's
so
go.
sorry. I'm so
W.
sorry, guys, for subjecting you to that torture.
So now I need this to...
Kitty cats. Is that Watt Designs?
Whoa.
How are Calvin and Hobbes doing?
What?
Have you seen his cats?
Nope.
They're so cute.
They're so cute.
He was streaming the other day and they were just like sitting on his desk being
Fire.
insane.
Fire.
Yeah. It was quite wonderful.
So... Oh, I have the debug camera on. Oopsies.
I am trying to draw a little crystal that you break and it'll drop mana drops. Good. Currently banished from my room so I can work. That is good. They are a little insane. I imagine that would be quite distracting. I want shading tool. That's what I want.
Is that what I want? I guess get random point would probably be the correct. Vector 2. Does A-Star have
Well,
like
I still need to add a goblin card. I always forget I need to do that. I love crossover maxing.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Did you use all the other cat skins that I made, right?
The other cat skins? Like the ones that are not currently in the game, or?
Oh, I think there was a couple that I pushed up.
Oh, yeah. There's the,
Yeah, you saw those.
the cat with the, like, the one that, like, does normalization to get around the house because they run into the corner and then they figure things out eventually, yeah.
Yeah, that one, and then we got Alien.
I wonder if...
And I wonder if you know... Sorry.
What it means. What it means. Yeah, pretty much. We start to get
Yeah.
assist point to position global position. Well, actually, sorry, you're a thing. No, you're not. I lied, apparently. I thought I had to get closest position, but I guess I didn't. That feels wrong. Whatever, I guess. I don't care enough.
I don't know what I'm doing here, to be honest. I'm just like drawing lines and hoping it looks somewhat like what I'm trying to draw. I mean, it doesn't, but... that could be worse, actually. That could be a lot worse. Let me find some references. What am I trying to do? Crystal, what do you look like? Maybe like... I'm sorry.
Real.
Oh yeah, there we go. Some like... You ever just try drawing and then it's like, I don't know how to draw.
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, right. Never mind. You don't do that.
Yeah. Yeah. I tried drawing for a little while and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna like focus my time and effort into anything else. Mainly because like...
It's not that hard.
Like I could... Yeah, I mean, anyone can learn how to draw. I'm just like, I'd rather learn how to do these other things because they have higher priority to me. Remember, kids, any of you can draw. Anyone who wants to draw, you can do it. Unless you're biddy.
True.
Unless you're biddy, then that's not the case.
Yeah, then it's over for you.
Yeah, it's over. You're cooked. Sorry.
I see. I think
Okay.
you should be right up here. And you should be slightly less bright.
I thought this had a thing that was like, yo dog, convert this to the correct coordinate system, but I guess not. Am I like dumb? Am I stupid? What?
Maybe.
Next point, body global position. Next point is path sub index. What?
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 Boss?
Was ist das? Who are you? You're okay. Never mind. We're good. Oh, you know what? I can do this here. Console.
Biddy, when are we doing the case opening stream, by the way?
The what?
The case opening stream? You said we were gonna do that a couple months ago.
Up, dude. Shut up. No, we're not doing that.
Chat, when do you think we should do it?
Oh, okay, so this is mapped incorrectly. I see. How in the fucking world is this working? Ground.
Right now? Okay.
Oh, no.
Here, I'll actually, I'll give it a bit. We still have a couple hours till the Counter-Strike weekly's reset.
Does that happen on Tuesday?
Yeah, it's every
That's
Tuesday.
weird. I swear
Weird,
it feels
it's
like it's
almost
every
like
fucking
Valve
stream.
updates thing on Tuesday. It's not. It's every Tuesday.
I'm sure it is. It feels like it's every stream. You're like, ah, dude, I can't wait to do my Counter-Strike weeklies after this one, even though we stream 3 times a week. Sometimes.
Yeah,
Most of the time.
it's fair.
Sometimes.
Most of the time. What am I doing wrong here? I need to shade this somehow.
Found it. Okay, there we go. Map to local. Do I have a local to map in here, or am I like stupid? Map to local. Local map. Oh, word. Local to map. gonna like lose my mind if I. Okay, I don't have this as a function. Sure, dude. View map. This will print out. Well, actually, what the fuck even is this? I don't know. Vector 2i. What are you then? Is my game uncapped frame rate? No. Let's cap this motherfucker to 60 though, just in case. Also, I'm printing out hella text, so maybe that's why it's breaking. Who knows?
Bro, think you Northern Line the way you capped at 60 FPS.
Dude, that's so true. Northern Line be like, this is what you guys see? Motherfucker spends so much money on like
I am going to
PC setup.
check when I get on tonight to make sure that to see what my because I realized that I think my monitor is also
There's no way.
whatever 160 something
There's
and
no way.
167 refresh rate or whatever.
165, you motherfucker. Don't 167.
Yeah,
that shit.
whatever it's called,
evil.
you know. Not my fault that I'm evil.
It is. Actually,
Oh.
you're right, it isn't, but it kind of is.
I mean, it's debatable. Maybe it is. What am I doing wrong? I don't know how to draw. Tried changing the shape of this and now I'm regretting it.
Which one did I just make? I made local to map. I hate these function names. I don't think local to map sounds... It's not correct. Like, it just isn't the right wording for it, and I don't know how to describe it other than I hate it. Fuck it, that's the variable name for now. Fucking killed him. Damn it. What if I just like kept picking the wrong enemy out of the list of enemies? You.
That would be kind of funny.
Stop. Okay, so you pick the closest point to what? Where are you going exactly, actually? What are you doing? Pick global mouse position? Oh, dude. That's not correct. Why am I
get
like...
rid of these lines here? That'll look nice, right?
I feel like I'm doing something wrong as fuck right now. Nav.pathfind 2, so from body.global position, so from the global position to the target position. Okay, to cell. Okay, closest point to cell, which takes in tilemap.local to map, tilemap.to local. Sure. That should be this.
Maybe I'm getting there. No?
Instead of attacking him every single time, I'm just gonna like... Wait, oh my god, I'm stupid. He's still doing that every frame. Never mind, this is probably correct. Maybe not correct. This is probably something. A star dot get closest point to position, which is gonna be this one. Goodbye. And then can I do a star dot hit position? Hit point position? Yeah, that's the one. Shit pants? I'm gonna shit your pants, brother. Like, I'm sorry. I'm gonna shit your pants. Your pants are being shat. Why is he not going up? Go up!
Might be the most evil streamer ever.
Go up! What are you doing? Now you go up! You motherfucker. Unless I'm stupid. Oh, guess what? Top 10 people who are still stupid, actually.
Mm-hmm.
I need to kill this slime. I need to kill this slime now. Also, you called me the most evil streamer ever. Why? Someone came into my chat and asked shit pants, and I said that I was gonna shit their pants.
Yeah, that's kind of evil. I'm not gonna lie.
That's not even that evil.
That's pretty evil.
It's not my fault. Where is this guy going? Where do you think you're going, buddy?
Anyways, how does this crystal look? I'm struggling.
Oh.
What? You're like the pixel art expert. What, does this look okay? Something with the shading that's off. I like it. Yeah. I kind of like it. I've always struggled with these, but I think it's good enough. I'll try putting it in game because we have all the post processing and stuff. Maybe that'll fix it.
Oh, this is returning the points. Okay, I see what's going on. So I need to take this position and I need to do like nav.
Nope, I want the. There we go.
Or something. Is that even correct? I don't know. Okay, he's standing over there. Will he go to where my cursor is after I hit him? Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. That's good news. I don't remember why I was doing this, but it's good news because I got there. So let me do this. Get closest point. It'll be this, and then I'll do IDX here.
Let's try this.
Like,
oh yeah, for anybody that didn't see, we got these or I made these cool UI mockups for the inventory. Well, I mean, we have them, but I'm just saying that like I was the one who drew them.
Yeah, I mean,
Biddy's is gonna be the one who implements them, so like
yeah, whenever that comes to pass, then
yeah.
Oh god.
So when it's in the game, you can think both of us, and probably mostly Biddy because UI is a pain and it's a lot more work to do that than to draw it.
Shit.
But pretty much we stole the design from Gungeon because we love Gungeon. We're basically just making Gungeon, but with cards at this point.
Yeah, and also side view instead of top down.
Yeah.
For now.
I think that's actually pretty good for the crystal.
Okay.
With the post processing, that looks nice.
So I want to find all of the.
So let's make it do stuff.
Which one are we connected to? How can I make this work? I could calculate this every time. That would be kind of ass cheeks though, but maybe I'll do that. Fuck it.
The main thing I'm not sure about this is like the spawning of them.
You never actually researched how 2D navigation works inside on platformers? Good luck. It's terrible. I can actually show you what it looks like under the hood. If I go into here, you can actually see what this guy sees, which is a bunch of nodes along the ground. The numbers are just how many connections they have. Don't worry about it too much. It's not actually that important. But he has a knowledge of how high he can jump.
What's on my screen so you can...
And so it will connect specific ones based on whether or not he can actually jump them. It works a lot better in a room that isn't this one. Not that one either, actually. Nor this one. Oh, we're back here. Hold on.
It's like actually evil.
Oh, surprise.
I don't understand how it works. But it's cool.
Not this room either. That's the same room. This room works.
This one's probably good. Yeah.
Let's see if there's a ground guy that spawns. Oh. There's the evil fucking eyeballs that need to be nerfed. The fucking bebop eyeballs.
Bebop eyeballs.
I hate them. Oh, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. How much health do these have? Oh shit, dude, I fucking murdered it.
Yeah, I turned up the health. They have 100 now instead of 60. That was not 100 health there though.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this guy will be able to pathfind his way kind of to me. Oh fuck, he's doing something stupid because hold on. I'm debug testing stuff, so I kind of did this. There we go. So he'll make his way over to me, so he can like kind of tell whether or not he can reach me, given certain like parameters, which is really cool. Anytime that you see the map disconnect, that's because he thinks he can't reach me, or something. Sometimes it's a little weird. Sometimes he has to realign himself to the grid. But yeah, the A-star nodes are generated automatically in like quote unquote. They're generated automatically in game. Like you can see right there, he can't reach me, so the debug drawing is like fucked up. But he cannot reach me. What was I gonna say? Something about the nodes. Yeah. So I wrote like a thing to go through the level and build out these sort of like node graphs of where things can move, and then connect them together, and eventually this guy can use them using some of the A-star pathfinding. And it was a little annoying, but a lot of it is actually handled by Godot, which I'm very thankful for, that I'm using an engine that supports that. So like, for example, let me get somewhere where he's not going to fuck with me, but I can still see, I can still see things. I can just put the game in slow-mo, actually. So like, for example, you can tell nodes how they're connected in Godot. So if you have like an A-star node here and an A-star node here, and then one over here, you can say, connect node 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, and so on. You can have them connected in between each other or whatever. Effectively, what I was able to do was using some clever tricks here and there. Given certain positions on the ground, so like here, I can look up. This is 1, 2, 3 spaces up, which means that if he has a jump height of at least 3, I know I can connect this node to this node, which means that the A-star navigation, once everything's built out, it can see that he can go from here to here to here to here. And because the connection goes in this way, it says, okay, your next path is going to be up here. And then that kind of just translates to telling this guy to like press the jump button if it's like mostly vertical. It's not perfect, but it works mostly well, minus a couple of things that are not implemented yet. Like, don't ask me to make him drop through the platform, or else like I might have to kill you. But that's okay.
Yeah. It's actually insane, all the stuff that he
do. It's a little insane, but it works mostly well, and I'm honestly really proud of it. But
yeah,
it's it took about a week to get working, I want to say.
Yeah.
And it's still.
I know Watt was mentioned the other day that he prefers Unity because of all the technical stuff you can do. Then I just look at this and it's like,
what do you mean?
I think it's very different though.
It is. Unity does a lot of things.
Godot does look like it's more UI based than I feel like it actually is.
Yeah, it definitely like seems to be more node based, but like whenever you get down to it, there's so many technical things that we're doing, like ourselves.
And I mean, you can make it node based. Like you can just like make all your own nodes and then like connect it all together, which we kind of do mix of. But...
Yeah, I mean, like with the navigation, I just made these nodes that are like. Like I wrote my own, like the navigation you can just attach this to something and then it will have access to the navigation, which is nice.
That's sick.
So as far as things go,
maybe we should switch to Unity.
Really no, fuck off, die. Sorry. I got a little angry.
Bro got a little angry.
A little angry. Yeah. Okay, so I want this. I'm gonna do something like evil, I think, which is connected. Or do connected points, which is gonna be a dictionary of int. I'll just say a boolean because I'm fairly certain this would be actually no, definitely. So what I'll do is I'll say for index well, you will actually be bodied up global mission. So current index, what I would like to do is I would like to iterate through and find like these, I want to say the correct term is islands, and I don't think that K-Star has a way of automatically grabbing these. I should check actually, but like I would want to grab, like let's say an enemy's right here. Right here. I want to grab all of the connected points here. And none of the ones that are down here. Or down here. So I think I could, I know what I can do. I don't know if it's what I should do, which is I look at this point and I say, what are your connected points? Which I think is going to go over to this guy. Ooh, that might be a problem actually. I'll find out. It looks friendly enough that people assume that it doesn't trust the user to do advanced things, I think. I think that's the case, yeah. I think that it... Because you see so many things that are, like, visual. It looks kind of, like, blocky. It's more, like, game engine-y than, like, something that looks professional. So maybe people see it and they're like, ah, this doesn't seem like it would do anything cool. But... Me.
It is insane how, like, simple it looks, though. Even, like, with all the complicated stuff that we're doing with it, it still feels like it's, like, not... Like, every time I've opened up Unity, it's like... And then, like, watch a tutorial or something like that, it's like, here, go to this menu and install, like, 20 different plugins, and then there's, like, 50 different sub-menus for them, and it's like, what am I doing? What am I clicking on? But with Godot, it's like... It never feels like I'm, like, lost in some sub-menu somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a good point.
I mean, maybe I'm just, like, hating Unity because it's fun, but...
Okay, I think...
Both can be true.
Sorry, I'm gonna think about this for a second. I'm braining it up right now. So let's go ahead and I will do connected points. What? Not set? Not set. Alright, index. Actually, no. File. So I'll add the current index to the queue, and then I will say while index queue is empty but not empty. Index queue dot top front.
Wait, what if we added a Sinner's Sacrifice from Deadlock and made it that if you hit the crystal like at the right time, it gives you a buff?
No, I don't like that.
I'm joking.
I really don't like that.
This is a really bad idea.
So this index, I would do index queue, sorry, connected point sub. Pikmin 1 and 2 and Pikmin 3. Yeah, I don't remember the rest of it, yeah.
I'm trying to think.
There's also the I was never book smart, I'm money smart, makes me more intelligent. Big fan of that one. What are you doing over there?
I'm thinking. I'm making this the crystal thing. I'm trying to think if I want it to be on hit that it gives you souls, or that it's like if it gets below a certain amount of health, like I think every period of health it should drop. Like if it has 100 health, like every 10 health that it drops, it drops a little bit.
Well, is it okay? Actually, we need to go back then, because I'm curious. Is this something that you can hit while you have a weapon equipped?
Yeah, it's basically just like an enemy.
It would be something only whenever you have your like scratch out.
Oh no, I was thinking it was anything.
I was thinking like, then it would be like a nice thing of like, oh, I need mana. I'm gonna hit this to get a little bit of mana from my like weapon.
Yeah, we could.
I'm just gonna bring
Could
that up.
make it
I don't know
that
if it's
it's
better or
on hit.
worse, but I'm just letting you know that that's what I thought of immediately, which might be worth considering.
I'm trying to think.
Yeah.
Because we could make it that it's a consistent amount on each hit, so that way, if you hit it with a scratch, it gives you the same amount as if you like hit it with an op. But at the same time, that could also introduce an issue where if you have something that shoots really fast, it would drop a bunch on every hit. But we could have it have like a delay between.
Yeah. I mean, with it, if it was
Dropping.
just the scratch, it would be just like a set amount each time until it died, and
but
then it
I
would give
don't-
you more.
I
But
don't like that.
okay.
I think you should be able to hit it with anything. But I think it shouldn't punish you for hitting it with the scratch, so I feel like it should be on each hit.
The connected point sub index equals true.
So I'm thinking I might not actually want a health component on this, because can I connect to the hitbox? Yeah, it's getting attacked, yeah.
Yeah, it's getting attacked, but also yeah, that's a component that you can grab through util as well.
Okay, I can do that. Okay, so I can just switch this to hitbox. So I think what I'll do is I'll have it on each hit. It'll drop, and then there'll be a delay between it before it can
shit.
get hit again.
Foxen, my goat.
Hello, Fox.
Hello, hello. Were you just working on Whiskerwood? What were you up to?
Is that 3D platformer game that I saw a long time ago? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Is there? I think I still have it.
I know you've
installed in my
mentioned that
Steam
like
library.
multiple times, and I just always forget
Yeah, the sick
that they
ass.
exist, and then they raid.
You're playing Bollocks Pit. Is that what is Bollocks
Oh.
Pit? What is that, JW? I know you've heard of it.
Oh yeah, I just actually just installed a demo for it because I wanted to try it because I wanted to do some
Which one is
research
this?
on
Oh,
how much content demos have,
was
like for a roguelite demo.
Did Northern Lion play this?
Probably.
I watched someone play. I may have tuned into Foxen's stream to see this.
Yeah,
actually,
I
at some
thought of
point.
getting it, but I've heard like mixed reviews on it.
How was it, Foxen? Are you a big fan?
It looks fun. I don't know if I like it.
I'm really liking it. I might give it a try. You should also try, if you like demos for roguelikes that are like a little funky, you should check out Raccoon. Oh, oops, there's
I
Northern
think
Lion
the
playing
demo on
Gungeon.
that ended.
Oh, did it end? No shot, dude.
I'm pretty sure they
No
took
fucking
down,
shot it
yeah.
ended. No! Why is my everything running like shit? We're just gonna open this up on Steam. Hold on.
It's the Northern Lion effect.
It's the Northern Lion. Northern Lion in the background's like fucking killing it.
Yeah. Yeah, you set your monitor to 60.
Yeah. Raccoon. Raccoon is like,
Is your audio mono too?
yeah. This game is sick, cause you like,
It's really sick too.
it's got some sauce, but you like buy coins and shit and upgrades and relics and whatever, and then use those to
It's so
gamble. It's like Balatro, but like just free dopamine. Fucking sick ass game.
It has, it's a good game because I love it even though it has mixels.
I hate you. What do you mean it has pixels? Fucking where? It's a 3D game. What are you talking about?
All over the UI.
On the UI, you need to shut up. I hate artists. No offense. No offense, Foxen. Your art isn't the same kind of art as JW's. He's a pixel artist, and you make 3D models. But well,
What?
no, actually, no. Your 3D models have like pixel. I don't know. You're like a cool pixel artist, and JW's like evil.
I bet your 3D models don't have mixels. I bet you're cool like that.
Foxen, I need you to. Do you have mixels on your 3D models? I feel like you'd be like, I don't care if it looks good. It looks good. And I feel like that'd be based. You don't mixel a model.
Let's go.
Fuck.
The goat. The goat.
Shit.
Or I guess I should say the fox, but whatever.
Oh shit. Oh shit, dude. That's kind of sick.
I know. I came up with that one myself.
What are you doing? Dude, this motherfucker. Why is he just staring at me? Look at him, dude. He's just looking. Dumbass. Stupid. Why is he not doing anything, actually? What the hell? What? Okay, he's dead. I don't care. Sure, he's dead. Forever, I guess. So I wanted this to do... What? I wanted you to get all of the connected points for this. which would be a star dot get connections index. This, I think. Got bored and left the CPU. Yeah, no, he just said, fuck it, I'm out. I actually don't know what all this would show. Connected points. Is this going to show me like the entire map, or is this going to show me like one thing? Get up there. I need you to be up there. Oh, dude, no. That's fucking annoying. Okay. Unless I just coded something wrong, which may be the case. What you got? Oh no, okay. Errors. Attempted to push back a variable. It's like packed int 64 array. Oh, you're so right. Because this is an array. For I in that. Push that shit back. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I know what I did. I made an infinite loop. My fault. If connected points dot has I need you to just go next. Don't do this ever again. And then you can tell me what all you're connected to. That like seems like a good sign that it didn't that it did infinite loop then. Essentially. Ooh, okay. Wait. That looks almost good to me. I think that's fine. So what I can do now is I can say points is connect the points.keys, which is going to be just an array, and I will do pick random target index.
Did you what's the easiest way to do a random true or false?
Util dot rand something. I think there's a rand bool or something. Rand sign.
Rand sign.
Yeah, and
Very
then you can
nice.
just do like is 1 or is -1 or greater than 0. That'll be like
greater than 0.
Yeah. It's like 50/50.
I need to have an if.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna pick up your wife. We'll be back in a little bit. Good luck.
What is this?
I might be misremembering. She was in school, right? I think. Or
Okay, yes.
What was the degree? I don't remember. I'm kind of terrible at remembering things like that. This little debug menu is so sweet. I actually love the debug menu so much. I don't know if you've seen, but it has the key bindings on it. So if I hit like the button on my keyboard, it'll like activate the sub menu, which is sick. Points pick random as int or on this or just be an int. What were you asking? Sorry, GW.
I don't know. Don't ask me.
What do you mean? Don't ask you? You were the one that fucking said it. You motherfucker. You said it. I hate you. Like, genuinely so much I hate you.
What?
Yep.
What did I do?
I don't know, man. Oh shit, he's going. He's moving. Oh shit. Wait, does it work now? Oh, almost. Not completely, because this returned the point. I need to convert this to local to map to local, perhaps. Oh, you're hitting the wall, buddy. I need you to. Where are you going? Oh. Huh. Here, that doesn't feel right. Well. Wait, that might actually be right. Hold on. What room was the good room that I went into? Was it room 1? Yeah, you. So if I put ground enemy fire here and hit him, he will choose a random spot that's connected to this thing, right? Where are you gonna go? You're just gonna stand there forever? Fair enough, dude. You can do whatever you want, I guess. What? Okay, I don't understand. Why do you only have that? You only see 4 points. Why do you only see 4 points?
Bro is blind.
Wait, why are you not connected to the ground? You should be connected to the ground. Why are you not connected to the ground? He's supposed to have a connection here. I broke something at some point, I think.
Yeah, I think so too.
What? What the hell? Okay, let me kill this guy. Afraid of heights. Yeah, he's a little bit of a pansy. It's okay. I don't really blame him, but like, he is. Okay, so what is going on here? Sorry, which one is this? This is tile navigation. There's something that takes an A star around here, right? Yeah. Well, kind of. Fuck, I don't remember how this works. I didn't write this. Wait a minute. Wait, no, I did. Fuck. Point and ground point, so for every... Sure. I don't remember. I thought that there was a way. I thought I had them at one point where this node right here would end up being connected to this node so that he could run off there. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm fairly certain that was a thing at some point. But I'm going to consult Git and see what happened. I might have broken this at some point on accident. What Dante's 9 folder is this in? Okay, new folder, actually. I forgot I moved it because of things that broke yesterday. Huh?
I'm thinking,
So proud.
is there a way, if I want to connect a signal to a function, but I really just want to do one thing, like one line, is there a way to just type that in the connect thing?
What do you want the line to be?
Or is that evil? I just want it to set something to true.
You want to set something to true?
Or false to true, yeah.
But you want to toggle it, or do you want to set it to true or to false?
I want to set it to true. I want to set it to true.
So there's a couple of ways that you can do it. If you want to take a look at my screen, I'll show you the different ways of doing it.
I'm taking a look at your screen, Twin.
So let me look for something that has a signal, actually. Room. Room has a signal. So let's say on room, not perimeter. Where's the signal? Cutscene event triggered, sure. So let's say that I wanted this to run, like I have this boolean and I want to set this to true. The ways that you could do this, actually this would need to be part of the class. Hold on. So you could do this by doing func colon b equals true, which is a little weird. You
Mhm.
could also kick this down so that it's like this.
Just a little less evil looking.
Or if you just want it to be a line like that, you could do set be true.
Ooh, I don't like that one.
Oh, I guess you. Oh no, sorry. Set. Sorry, this one has to have a dot bind v, which requires this to be an array.
No, I hate that one.
Okay. Well,
I hate that one so much.
Okay. Well, just letting you know, those are your options.
Okay.
You could do
Thank
that. This is called a lambda function, by the way.
Yes.
Yeah.
I always remember hearing about those, but I like never used it, so I was like, I never understood what it was.
Yeah,
'cause
it's
I,
just it is just an isolated.
It's really simple.
Yeah, it's an
just,
anonymous function that you're kind of just passing in as like a.
Yeah.
It's like an on the spot callable that you need.
Yeah. Which is exactly what I want here. So
Yeah.
that's perfect.
There's also, I guess, for anyone who doesn't know, and also I'm gonna just say this again so that JW hears it and knows. So let's say that I had a signal in here, which was like room cleared or something. Or I guess ended. Yeah, room ended. Let's say that I wanted to bubble this signal up. The room ended up to this signal called room ended from the tile navigation agent, whatever. A couple ways you could do that. You can do dot emit, and then you could create your lambda function here, and then you could do room ended dot emit, which works. But I really don't like making a lambda function for something like this. What you can do instead is do room ended dot emit. So what this is doing, or sorry, not dot emit, dot connect. So what this is doing is it's taking the signal and connecting it to the emit function of this room ended signal.
Yeah.
And it's really nice because provided that these have the same arguments, you don't have to worry, like you don't have to specifically like catch the arguments. So if before, since we're passing in room, I'd have to capture room here, you know, which means this would need to be like R or something. And then I would have to do room ended dot emit R, which sure, it's fine, but you could just do room ended dot emit. And then this would automatically consume those parameters and toss them into this function or into this signal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So very cool, very useful.
That's pretty cool. Let's see if this works.
It won't.
Theoretically, it works.
Now I get to figure out why this is broken. Sorry, I was looking at Git to figure out why it was broken. Tile navigation agent. Show L3. What you got going? Oh shit. JW is dead. JW died. He'll be back eventually, surely.
Hello?
Welcome back.
Hello?
Welcome back. What happened?
Hey, really?
Where's dead?
Playing Dante.
Huh?
I tried opening the game and it just killed everything.
Fire.
It didn't kill everything, it just killed Discord and... Oop, why is this not opening? Once you pop out. There you go. Share my screen again.
That's really weird. This hasn't actually been changed that much.
Oh, about 3 billion errors.
Oh shit. Just close the game and reopen it. It's because your graphics card crashed.
Oh, that's very cool.
Yeah. The VK messages are a Vulkan error log thing.
I see. So it was probably something with the game that killed everything else.
It's probably your graphics card overloaded and crashed because you were streaming and you ran the game and you've got whatever else open. Take the correct file, please.
What is this?
What's huh? Where huh?
Oh, wait. What?
Oh, yeah. The hit flash connects to the health component.
Oh, we changed. Oh, well, it shouldn't.
Has it not all? I'm pretty sure it's always been using the health component.
Yeah, well, before we had a flash that you could just use, So let me set it.
You can
that
just do like
this
an.
can-
Well,
yeah.
is it? Are you using that directly? Because you could just.
There you go. That should work. Yes, I'm using the flash function.
He's using the flash. He's flashing it.
Yeah.
Me
Set
last
outline
week
color
upgrade to
too, is that new?
4.6. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there were changes in here. What did I do?
Well, that doesn't work. Nope, 25 errors. Oh, right. Signal parameters exist. I always forget that you have to change those. Silly me. Connect. And then we can do dot, or how would we do this? Oh wait, no, that's fine. No one's fine. No one's fine. It's you that we want to dot unbind. 1.
Because of this, I wonder. Let's find out. And I wonder
If you know.
what it means.
6, 7.
Wow. That's so sick. 7. Dude, that gank was 6, 7. Wait a minute. Hold on. Chat, is that cooking? Is that cooking, chat? Oh, he crashed again.
I don't know what is going on.
I don't either. That's pretty funny.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
There is an issue with the spawn object
The what?
saying because it's says use call deferred for this.
Where and what?
I've had
Why? You're not streaming your screen anymore.
Oh yeah, give me a
Refresh.
second. Yeah, I know.
Make sure your frame rate is locked, by the way.
Oh yeah, I'll do that. It's can't change the state while flushing queries. Use call deferred or set deferred to change monitoring state instead.
Yeah, what is that on and why is it doing
I
that?
don't know. It's on level manager spawn objects.
Yes. So you're spawning your object during a physics frame or something?
Yeah.
So are you calling that from somewhere new?
Yes, from here.
Yeah, just spawn object
Here.
call deferred.
Okay.
Not there. Before the parentheses. Yeah. Because you're connecting off of the hitboxes, which happens mid-frame or mid-physics tick.
Yep. Okay.
Dude, Discord does love exploding. Did you know that Discord, if it detects that it's got a memory leak and you're using too much RAM, it'll just wait until you hit 4 gigabytes of memory usage and then it just restarts itself because they can't figure out the memory leak? I love Electron apps. Electron was such a good move.
It does have VSync. Let me just turn this down to 60 just to make sure that that's fine. Trying to think. I want them to kind of like go flying up in the air. Just, I don't know if
That's
a good
why
way
that
to do
happens? Yeah. Yeah, Discord loves restarting itself because there's a memory leak, and instead of having programmers that can figure out memory leaks, they just said, fuck it, Electron sucks, and just force restarts the game. Hooray. We used to have good programs back in my day. I don't 100% understand what happened here, because this was working at some point, but apparently it's not now, which is sick. But I also see that this line here shows me that there's a connection. Maybe let me take a look at my tile navigation debug drawing, and then I can potentially debug this. Draw you. Draw line where oh no, this is happening in the tile navigation agent. You're the one that's drawing this, right? Yeah, for every connection. Okay, then what I can probably do is direction is target position minus or global position minus target position, which would do if this is our position, this target position, target minus global would give us a vector pointing this direction, so I can rotate it a little bit so that I can draw a debug arrow because I love drawing debug arrows. GW
I love drawing debug arrows.
I should make it 3D and rotate over time. Dig to rad minus 45. Is that? No, that's counterclockwise. Oh, dude. I didn't realize that. You should have told me that. I didn't realize that you were a vector 2i. That changes not much, to be honest, but it's okay. Okay, do you draw the thing that I want now? I cannot see. So let's fix that by, I guess, multiplying you by 100, and then we'll see if you show up. Oh shit, that's like unreadable as fuck, but... cool. That looks really cool in a weird way. JW, look at this. Look at all the red lines. The like lattice grid I accidentally made.
What did you do? I mean, it looks kind of sick. But like,
I'm trying to make it draw arrows so it shows what like direction things are connected in.
I see.
I can't
Very
tell.
cool.
I need to make sure that this node is connected to this node, which is apparently a problem. Probably like somewhere less than 100 is about right. Like I can see that these nodes right here are connected because they have the arrow showing that. Are you connected? Okay, so there's not a connection up this direction, which means that connection has to be one of those. Which I'm assuming it's like that, perhaps? I don't know. That's so weird. So if I go into level 1, or room 1, and add in this dickhead. I'm just gonna stand there. That's so fine. I'm okay with that. Let's see. So if I were to go into fleeing enemy brain and make this if input of is action just pressed. Give me some debug shit. Console no. Nav dot random. What was this called again? Nav dot get random point. Thank you. I need to restart the game. Oh shit! Yo, Generic B, how's it going, man? Yeah, we're working on. Oh god, there's gonna be so many things drawn on the screen. Yeah, we're working on this game. Hold up, let me test this really quickly, and I'll show you some of the game. Oh, well, I guess I'm showing you the game now, kind of. Stupid
It
slime.
looks so cool.
It looks
I
so
love
cool with all the
debug.
debug shapes on. Yeah, big fan of that.
Yeah, it's very cool. Big fan.
It's readable with no issues whatsoever if there are shapes. Yeah, like this guy's jumping weird, and I don't know why. I've just broken some of the enemy AI while I'm testing things. Oopsies. Oh, I
How
forgot.
did you break those guys?
These guys?
Yeah. Did you change them?
They're using Oh, I
Or are
guess
they using a new one now?
did you not know that these guys are using the tile navigation now?
I did not know that now.
They're using it. They've been using it since these guys got tile navigation. These guys have also been using it.
Oh, oops. I wanted to be 800, not 8,000.
Okay. Oh, dude, JW, can you look at my screen real quick?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the first
looking
number
at your
printed
screen.
in the thing.
6, 7.
Yeah, you might be a little special with it. It's fine.
I'm sorry.
That's fine. Why is this? Hold on, let me turn on debug drawing. I'm like actually going insane over this. So you are connected to things, correct? You are. Why don't you know about? Oh my god, they don't know anything. They're all so stupid. Look at them running back and forth. They're so dumb. What are we doing? These are the worst creatures of all time. Whatever. I don't...
Hold
What?
up, Lukaiza just posted a great card idea.
Oh no. Oh no. What is it? What's with it?
A dryer ball utility card.
Okay.
Throw a dryer ball that has absurd static cling and sticks to an enemy, which causes nearby enemies to clump together onto that enemy.
Holy shit, Katamari.
That's actually
Eight nodes.
kind of a
1,
sick
2,
idea.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 nodes, so it finds all 8 nodes there. Then why don't you know about this? Why is it if I put an enemy up here, he gets stranded whenever he tries to get to the player? What is the purpose? Also, yeah, sorry, the debug, yeah, let me
Katamari, wait.
let me make these guys work really quickly. Return super. I think they should work now. I think they should come towards the player. I'm a liar. I've never lied harder in my life, I think. What is... Actually, I don't know why this guy's broken. Why is... Because he doesn't have a brain, because I didn't give him a brain! Oh my god, I have to give him a brain. Let me give him a brain really quickly. Enemy brain. Brain. Here. He has a brain now. Pause the Celeste music. I bet it feels good as fuck to be a slime jumping in place like that. Dude, I bet he's having the time of his life. I bet he's so happy about that. He feels good as fuck to be a slime jumping in place like that. He's training acrobatics,
I was
man.
a slime jumping in place.
I think he's almost at 99. Isn't acrobatics like the worst thing to farm in RuneScape? I actually don't know.
Yeah.
I have a different form of autism, fortunately.
By the way, Bitlytic, I adjusted the mana drops a little bit. I changed their speed when they go to you, so they're a little slower, so they're not like quite as fast. Because before they would kind of just like snap to you, and it looked kind of bad.
Yeah.
And also, I made it that it takes like a tiny little bit of time before you can pick them up. Because I was also noticing that people were struggling to notice that they were actually dropping, especially initially, if they were right on top of them.
Mm-hmm.
So they'll just sit there for like just a second before you can pick them up.
I don't understand. Dude, these guys are so stupid. I love it. They're some of the worst creatures to ever exist. There's no... Dude, I just saw that guy come flying in off the side of the screen. There's no way you found out about the Visualize Colliders debug menu through the stream. Yeah, it's sick. Are you stupid? No. There's so many things in Godot that's just like hidden that you like might not know about. I guess like here's a fun one for free. If you hit open user data folder, this takes you to your save data for the project, which includes any custom files that you write to it. This is where they'll go. So if you do something that is like user : / that goes there, which is sick. But yeah, you can turn on visual collision shapes. You can also do certain other things with like the navigation stuff that shows up here. You didn't know about that one? Okay, well, congratulations, I guess. Whatever. That's what I get for trying to help people. Whatever. Ouch. Dickhead. These guys are sick. I love them so much now. They're so stupid. Okay, let me put a oh, he's coming off the side. Okay. Another. Okay. Let me kill this guy before these goobers are doing stupid shit. Alright, you are you able to pathfind down here, or are you gonna get angry? No, you do pathfind. Oh, what was happening earlier then? What was happening earlier? You were like being stupid. You were being angry. I don't... Whatever. Dude, that fire actually does look good, by the way. Did you make that? I don't remember.
I think so. I don't know.
One of us made that.
I think I did.
Yeah, you made the particles. I made the thing that spreads out.
Yeah.
Which is pretty fun. And it
Particles could still use a little work, probably.
Yeah. Oh, dude, it actually looks sick whenever the player's behind it because of the light from the player.
Yeah. We probably want the player to be in front of it. Maybe. I don't know.
Probably. Almost certainly. So why... Sorry. Display, draw, tile nav. You have that connection. Okay, LT room 1. But you don't? Enemy spawn this guy. No, you hella do. What? You just weren't working that time that I like was like testing things? Okay, sure, dude. Whatever you say, man. I don't even care that much. Doesn't even bother me that much, so it's fine. Have.get or return flee target spot. So you're gonna come up here. You're gonna go. Sure. If I hit you, you're gonna pick a new random spot, which happens to be right there. Okay. Okay, yeah, I mean, that works, I guess. I don't know why that wasn't working before, but it is now. Cool, okay. That's actually sick. So what I did here, by the way, JW, was I made it... Because this is going to be for the wizard guy that, like, runs away whenever you hit him. Is whenever he takes damage, he will pick a random spot on the navigation map that he can reach. He doesn't seem like going very far. I might have to put like a bias that's like try to get away from the player and have more of a bias for that, but we'll have to see.
Probably a good idea, yeah.
Solidarity with the brainless slimes. Yeah, you would, I guess. I don't even know what that means.
I don't even know what that means.
Aren't all slimes brainless? That's like what they are. That's like... That's the default. A brained slime would be the weird one. Okay, I guess that works. Sure. JW, what fun thing do I code right now? Give me something fun to code.
I don't know. It's almost Counter-Strike time. So
What do you mean it's almost Counter-Strike time? This motherfucker.
Let me look. I mean, it is. I mean, you could do the menu UI.
Okay, actually, that's really funny. No, you're so right. Actually, I will worry about you because that is just true. This dude's working fine now because he's the only dude in the level. There were slimes here earlier, and he was being stupid. That's solidarity with the brainless slimes. You're right. He was just like,
Yeah.
it's like whenever you get like a teenager around their friends, they're like really stupid. But if you just if a teacher talks to one, they would just be like regular and smart. Speaking from experience. JW wouldn't know about that because he was homeschooled.
Smart. I'm so regular and smart.
What? Ooh. Sorry, you said something about the menu or something? What'd you say?
You could code the new menu.
How can I do that?
That's fun.
Does the game still crash whenever I take damage? No. Cool.
That's pretty cool, Quinn.
Pretty cool, Twin.
That's quite cool, Quinn, actually. Quinn.
Look at the...
Yeah, Quinn.
Let me also... Enemies aren't a tool script, are they? They're not. Tragic. Whatever.
That is kind of tragic.
Cause I'm thinking, I'm like, I don't know how much more I want to add to the enemy scene. That is like every time we make a new enemy, you have to add something. I might just make it default.
Yeah.
Like if this thing doesn't have a brain, give it basic brain. If no brain, add brain.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, enemy brain. Who's enemy brain? Our brain.
Did you make enemy
no
brain today? I wasn't really paying attention to what you were doing.
Hmm?
Because I was actually working on my own stuff for once.
What did you say?
I said, did you add the enemy brain today? Is that what you were doing? Yeah. Okay, because as I said, I wasn't really...
Yeah, you didn't
I
have
was
to
kind
repeat
of locked
that.
in
That's
for
fine. I
once.
heard you. That's good. Good job, man.
Okay, well, you didn't hear the first part, so...
Yeah.
Just wanted to make sure, you know?
Yeah, that's so W twin. That's so sick
Yeah,
twin.
yeah.
So I think now these guys will
that's sick.
have default brain mode, right? Which means that I can get rid of this brain and this brain because I can specifically tell a certain enemy, hey dude, I want you to brain it up over here. Right? Like you spawn enemy. I would imagine all of these still work. I added some of the wrong enemies. I know some of those motherfuckers are not going to work correctly, but at least they don't crash the game, right? True, actually. That's kind of surprising. We need more enemies.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Why do they have their... Oh, wait, why did that guy move so much? Wait, that guy jumps hella. Ooh, ouch. Okay, yeah, oops. We're mixing old enemies with new enemies, and it's kind of sick. Like a jamboree in here. Because these guys' values are not too
Call that
correctly.
Mario Party, yeah.
This guy's gonna send me flying if he attacks me, I think. Maybe not. What about you? You still exist? Oh, you do. Oh, shit. Okay. Well, all the enemies at least work. Do they work well? Nah. Give or take. Mostly
Yeah.
take.
Yeah.
That's okay. Mostly.
That is okay.
So, let me... I'm gonna restart this because I was doing this last time and I think I know what I want to do a little bit better this time. So, Fire Wizard. New scene. Fire Wizard enemy. Still don't have art for this, by the way, JW, just letting you know. Not a problem. But,
Okay.
You know, whatever.
That is a problem.
It's not a problem, but it's like kind of a problem. It's like kind of a big deal.
Also, I think we need to work on. I mean, something I need to work on, but like the styling of the enemies, because right now it's kind of like generic creature,
Mhm.
and I feel like they could have a bit more like relevance
Personality.
to something. Like some of the other levels, it'll be easier to do. Like the library, we can have like book-related stuff and like things like that.
Yeah, I think they should stand out or they should have like more thematic. Yeah,
Yeah.
instead of just like little dude with horns and little dude with not horns. And check out the boy
Yeah.
kisser.
Hey, twin.
What do you mean twin? What do you mean by twin?
I call everybody twin.
I called the boy kisser twin.
Everybody's
That's crazy.
everybody's my twin.
Everybody.
Everyone.
Everybody?
Everyone's my twin.
Everyone.
Most people are my twin.
I was like, I've got a few in my mind that I'm like, I could say this right now. I'm not going to, but like, you gonna say that?
Okay.
Might be evil a little bit.
You might be evil a little bit twin, a little bit Lytic.
What? Wait.
Me when Lytic is short. a
Holy.
little bit Lytic. Yeah.
I love taking things in bad faith. In a fight? Sorry.
Biddy loves lying.
I do. No, genuinely, one of the most fun things you can do, you should try this out. Everybody in chat, you should try it out. Lie to your friends, but like not about real things. Like just lie in the most like innocuous, non-harmful way possible. And it's funny if they believe it, and sometimes it's also like hella funny if you just immediately tell them you're lying after. Make it as believable as possible. Like one time I went to the bathroom and I just thought of like the most amazing lie, and I came back and I told JW, I was like, did you know that in Chinese, because they didn't have cats for a long time, but they did have dogs, once they were finally introduced to cats, the word that they came up for it basically translates to smart dog. Because that's like somewhat believable, you know, that's like, that could totally be believable.
So good.
And he went, really? And I go, no. I was like, not even fucking close. I don't know. I don't speak any Chinese. It's so
it might
good.
be the best bit of all time.
It's so good. I love it, man. It's so fucking funny. What were we doing where we had people? It was Minecraft. When we were playing Minecraft, we had some people in the call, like some of Jimmy's friends. And I told them that bit, but I didn't tell them I was lying. It would be so funny if one of them told it to someone else and then like they were like, what? No, that's just not even true. Where is the enemy debug menu? What am I looking for? Enemy menu. Do you have... Nope. You have array of packed scenes. Congratulations, you're getting another one. Surprise. Wow. I want to play Deadlock so bad, man.
Yeah, hop on Deadlock.
I'm literally sitting here, I'm like, I need to get just enough work done that I can reasonably, like,
I've
peace
actually
out.
gotten like
and
a
Deadlock
good
it.
stuff done tonight, which is surprising.
Where's Fire Wizard enemy? There we go. And there's the boy kisser. Look at him go. Dude, it looks like he's got a nose because of the particles coming out of his mouth. That's sick.
Wow.
What's the shortcut to pull up the scene list? What's... Oh, Control P.
Control P.
Control P, it brings up scenes, images, scripts, resources, anything. So like if I want to look at like
I
the
would highly
kunai
recommend
card, I
it.
can do
It
card
is,
kunai.
like the only shortcut that I actually use.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, when you're adding
consistently.
nodes? That was just clicking on... I clicked this, and then it's over here for quick load. It's just the quick load button, or I think you can click this folder icon and it does that. Yeah, there's a couple of places. There's also when you're adding a node to the tree, Control A is to add this here. Or if you want to spawn a scene in, you can do Control Shift A, and it will choose a scene, and then that will put it in the level.
You can also use the 2 buttons on the top left of the scene tab.
The top left. Yeah, or you would not do that. I don't
Yeah,
know, that's gross.
I would.
I just Control A, Control Shift A,
Nope.
because that makes way more sense.
I like my buttons. I like pressing buttons.
Oh, dude.
I am a
Did you know this was mine?
button-pilled press maxer.
Did you know this was mine? Did you know I made this?
Wait, really?
Yeah, I made that. Dude, that's mine. Nobody's ever used that, but I have. 2 times. Let's see. Where am I? Okay, back to the fire wizard enemy. You will also have player movement, probably, which means that you need a couple of things. By that, I mean you're going to get everything that this guy has. Congratulations. You don't need a vent router, probably. Sure, you can have all of this, I guess. How much of this do you even need, actually? I guess you need, like, everything, don't you? Fucking greedy-ass enemy. Is that enough to make him move around? I have no clue. It'd be kind of cool if it was. I also really like having the dynamic component getting in setting, because it means that I don't have to go through the different components and find out which ones need to have their exports set, because I can just like... I'm like, yeah, dude, sure. It might not even work, actually. So let me spawn these guys and make them work, please. Ah, shit. Okay. It's because I have... There are actually 2 raycasts that are not being assigned right now, and I don't know what they are. Where are you? Wallcast, ground follow nav, apparently. Oh yeah, you're so right, dude. Okay, well, aside from those... And this one as well. Where did he go? Why did he do that? I didn't know he... Why... Wait. Where did he go, actually? He, like, jumped off the floor once.
What did I just
What is he jumping off of? What?
Why does he do that? Wait,
don't-
it's because wait, no, I don't know.
Oh, I know what's going on. I know what's going on, kind of. Yes, okay. No. Hold on. It's because he tries to jump because the player is now above him. So it just happened to look like he was jumping on the tile map, but he wasn't.
That's so funny.
He just happened to be jumping as he hit the player's Y coordinate. That's
I
funny.
see.
So if I do this, yeah, he'll jump immediately. Okay, he just doesn't have floor collision because I forgot to give him that. Man, I miss Pokemon Snap. It's so sad that they took it out back and killed it. You can no longer play Pokemon Snap. So if you didn't play it in your childhood, you missed out.
What?
Yep.
What?
Oh shit. Yeah, you don't have an attack. That's great, dude. I know that. If not attack.
Can we play Deadlock now, please?
Oh my
Can we please
God.
play Deadlock. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Probably, yeah.
I'm still working, guys. I promise.
No, I don't think that's true.
No, it's not. It's not true at all. I'm lying. Guys, it's so fun. Can you make a visual editor for the Gibbs so I can like position them before they spawn and then like saves them? Just kidding. Don't do that. It's too much work.
Whatever, dude. Whatever, man.
Yeah, I know. I'm evil.
Yes. What would the wizard's attack be called? His attack is the thing that, like the channel that like buffs the whatever. Probably just like enemy buff attack, I guess. Sure, dude.
Yep. That's what I would do.
Do attack console.print. Blah, blah, blah. And then I will do func finish preparation console.print. I finished. And then prepare attack is also a function apparently. Actually, isn't this one by default doing something? It is. Never mind. And then I'll have you just make sure that this guy works the way I want him to. I will make him stay in this state for like half a second and finish preparation, and then also do attack. You'll do the same thing, but it's kind of funny the way that one of them has a function that does it for you and the other one doesn't, but whatever. So I think that would work. Probably. Let's find out. You need to make another banger like this one.
Yeah, I know. It's hard. I'll probably just use that one for the trailer. I was messing around with some ideas with it. Not really ideas, but just like thinking of how I might want to arrange it.
Yeah.
And I think like the last section would be good for a trailer.
Oh shit, he dies in one hit. I didn't realize that. What does the least amount of damage in the game?
Probably Scratch. Probably not Scratch. Bees? No, not bees.
Well, bees,
I don't know, man.
each individual bee does, yeah, I think. But... What a smug asshole. Laser pointer? One tick of laser pointer probably does the least amount of damage. If I can get him with one. Oh no, he is. Nope. That was just enough to kill him. Whatever, I'll just give him more health. Congratulations, buddy. You now have 500 max health. You're now the healthiest enemy in the game, minus the boss. I'm gonna mute the music, because I got music on in the background. I was gonna say, and I doubt that Bonet's theme is in the same key, but I think it might be. Actually, no, it's not. What key did you write the song in? Do you even know? You remember?
I don't know.
Did you write it in a key, or did you just, like, place notes?
I don't usually write things in specific keys. I just, like, start playing in a random key and hope it sounds good.
Fair enough.
And if it doesn't, then, you know what, whatever, I don't care.
Yeah. Okay. So I can have this guy Okay, that actually works kind of well. I mean, minus the fact that it's a boy kisser, but he'll like stand here and do his attack, which will end up being the whenever he stands here, he like activates it and then it grabs an enemy and then buffs it. And if I hit him, he'll run away to a different spot and then do it again. But I don't want him to do it over and over. I just want him to stand there and then like.
Maybe he should run away till he's like far enough away from the player.
Yeah.
Like once he's outside of a certain distance, and if he doesn't get outside of that distance by the time he gets to that point, then he continues running.
Yeah.
So he has to run out of the player's distance to use the thing again.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll put the thing because I want him to. I wanted to actually make use of some of this state. I wanted to have a fleeing state specifically that doesn't let him stop until he makes it out of player distance. Could also make him teleport because he's a wizard. I don't know when we want a teleporting enemy though.
We'll definitely have some kind of teleporting enemy. I don't know about him though.
Yeah, I mean like I don't know when we are gonna have a teleporting enemy.
Okay. I mean we have the worm that teleports through the books that we're gonna have.
Oh yeah, the bookworm.
The bookworm.
Oh, wait a minute.
What?
Oh, hold on. I'm thinking about some crazy shit. I think. Am I thinking about crazy shit or am I thinking about not crazy shit actually? I don't know what the effect would be, but my immediate thought was bubble shader, but for worm going through bookcases or books. But I don't
know if that would work.
Yeah, I don't think it would. Or like
Yeah.
So what was the worm in the book? Teleport?
So there would be like a magic book that would like show up in the air, and then the worm would come out of it.
Oh, okay. So
into another book like on the other end.
Okay, so he would be like.
So you'd kind of teleport out and then teleport back in.
Yeah, he'd be like part of the book. He would be like, kind of like writing the book like a magic carpet, and then it would like close or something, and then he would teleport.
Oh, I'm drawing. I'm opening MS Paint. So
we need more
spawns.
Sure.
Book spawns in the air, and then it like opens up, and then he goes flying out of it, and then he keeps going, and then book shows up on the other end, and then he goes into it.
Oh, okay, I see. You want to know what I was thinking of?
What were you thinking?
I was thinking that the book would pop out of the air, and he would be like he would come out of the book, and he would be like the thing attacking you. Because he would be a bookworm that lives in the book, and he's like a mage.
Oh, so the book would like fly around and he
worm.
Oh, okay. So the book would just like float around, and then he'd pop out of the book to attack you.
Kinda, yeah. Like it would like teleport around or something, and then he would kind of like the book would open up, and then he would pop out. Maybe he'd have like a little wizard hat on, and then he would like launch fireballs at you or something, and then he would pop back into the book.
I mean, we could have that too.
Because I feel like that's kind of like a fun like. It's a play on bookworm where it's like the reason that he can do that is because he reads so many books, but usually a bookworm is like a worm that eats books.
We could totally have both.
What if he summons worms?
Cool.
What if he's a boss? I don't know.
I mean, we could have like different book wizards that do different things.
Yeah.
Like, we could have a book wizard that just shoots fireballs, and we could have a book wizard that summons worms.
Yeah.
That's actually a great idea. What the heck?
Yeah. But they would be worms.
I like that
right?
one.
Like, they would be, like, the wizard would be a worm, right? Because he'd be the bookworm. He'd be like a little worm.
Maybe.
Also, I think
I was thinking he would just be a regular wizard that that summons bookworms. I think that would make more sense. Why am I opening this again? That's not what I wanted to open. I wanted to open notes so that way I could write these down.
You know how you don't like doing frame-by-frame animation?
Uh-huh.
Why'd you say it like that?
Uh-huh. What?
I think that
it
would potentially be a cool thing if we had some like 2 frames.
Okay.
That's it. Where it's like I'm thinking about for like I'm just gonna keep the idea of the bookworm, where it's like the open book sprite and the closed book sprite, and whenever the book closes, it like tweens wide, or like it squishes down a little bit, and then as it like goes back up, it like closes and swaps to the closed sprite. So it would look a little bit more like an animation, but it would be like a snappy like.
Oh, yeah. I get. I think I get what you're saying. I don't know the exact specifics of the animation that you're saying, but I get the idea of like tweening the scale and things like that, but then snapping to another frame.
Yeah, like during the motion of the tween, you like just swap the animation out, which I think is like something that we can make use of a lot, because squishy things are cool. Also, I want to I want to potentially look at having something that's the thing that we talked about before, which is the automatic squisher, the squishler.
The squishler.
Yeah, also I'm just sitting on JW Vision. I think I may be brained out a little bit.
What, that's a first?
It's not a first, it's like a second.
Oh, okay.
Want a deadlock?
How does this look? Yeah. Give me just a second. I just
He's
wanna
like, yeah.
test this out. Yes. You will check this out, twin. Oh, here, let's set this back to 5. I still need to add like more juice to it and things like that, but what is Bro doing over there? Why are you just clicking?
Yeah, I'm just clicking, dude.
Okay, so we have the crystal.
Oh shit.
And you smack it.
Ooh, that needs some squishies. Also, those gibs are like hella too much. Like they
I know. I was just
stand out a
testing
lot.
it out to see how they looked. Yeah. Because I made the gibs when it dies, and I wanted to see how it'd look if it had it while it was alive. So I probably will have that, just make them smaller, or like particles. And then I also wanted to shake when you hit it and make a sound, and then I also wanted to like crack over time as you hit it.
Yeah. Sick.
But
And if you hit it with the laser pointer, it reflects the laser because it's light. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no.
Also, we do need to add a bounce to laser pointer.
Yeah. Okay.
things like
So, question about inaccuracy to
Mhm.
hit scan. Do you mean you want the possibility of it, or do you mean you want it to be on hit scan weapons? Like, I feel like the op should not be inaccurate.
No, it shouldn't. I just mean the option. Like, there are some cards that decrease accuracy, or some stickers that decrease accuracy for like other buffs.
Okay, I see.
And I want to be able to use those on like the op or the laser pointer.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm like,
Same with like size increase. Like the size should just like widen the hitbox of it.
yeah, that might be an
If that's
interesting
possible, I
one.
don't know how
It
that
is,
works,
but it's I don't exactly know.
Okay.
It'll
If
be
that's
an
like too hard,
interesting
I can
one.
just remove it from the options.
The options.
Okay, well I think that's everything for tonight.
The-
The options.
Yo, that gank was sick. 7.
What?
That gank was sick. 7. Like,
Well, you
6,
get it 'cause, like
7.
6, 7.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys. I think it's time that we end stream.
Yeah, we will catch you guys later. We will be back on Thursday, 6:30
At-
p.m. EST, probably.
Yes.
I was gonna have to potentially cancel the Thursday stream because I
That's
didn't
crazy.
realize that my psych hadn't sent in my prescription for my Adderall yet, and
That's awkward.
I messaged her today, and they said that it wouldn't be up until Sunday, and I was like, what the fuck? Because I only have like a day left of
Rip.
supply. And then I went in, and they were like,
That's
oh yeah,
okay.
we'll be in like 10 minutes. I'm like, sick. But yeah, we will be back on Thursday, 6:30 p.m. EST, so about 3 hours ago from now on
I
Thursday.
might also start streaming in the mornings at some point. I'm thinking of,
You might start
but
streaming
that'll just be like
tomorrow,
random because I work. So like work schedule.
'cause I work. This motherfucker
Yeah.
said that he said because I work as if I don't work too.
Well, I sometimes don't work is the thing. Is I there's days that I am not working in the morning,
Yeah.
but I work in the morning sometimes.
Maybe
so I
we
can't
move
have, like, a
our,
consistent schedule.
Oh, I guess you did. Well, no, yours like Saturday and Sunday are not guaranteed to be off. I was gonna say we could like move our streams earlier that day, but I don't want to wake up early on the weekends. That's not happening.
Yeah, no.
But anyways, I will catch you guys later. Thank you
Anyways,
guys for hanging out.
good night, everyone. Have a
Goodbye.
great